Pick up a heart rate monitor if you want to get better results in strength training. We've got something new to give you more results in less time. The Polar Strength Training Guidance. Optimal recovery time between the sets is key to boost your strength training. Just long enough to give your muscles sufficient amount of rest before you start your next set. Usually it's based on time or just a gut feeling. But there's a more effective method, your heart rate. Strength Training Guidance displays your heart rate curve and automatically determines suitable recovery heart rate based on the curve's peak for every single set respectively. A dotted line illustrates the proper recovery heart rate level. When your heart rate hits it, you can start the next set. This kind of heart rate-based guidance increases your aerobic stimulus more than usually in strength training. That's good news for those who aim to reach both more strength and better fitness in less time. You know, no one wants to waste any time when the goal is to get that hard-toned body.